till the sun went down, and then you'd fill him a jug and he'd pass it around. Mighty, mighty pleasing, Baptist corn squeezing.
Oh, got it. Why is it tight now? Big old fat like that.
Well, the G-men, revenuers too, searching for a place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him, but my family kept on cooking.
Real sweet. Why is it tight now?